In the silence of this holy night, I kneel beneath the candlelight, holding flowers made of tears, gathered through 1,000 fears.
Mother Mary, softly near, you can hear what hearts conceal, every sorrow buried deep, every wound too hard to heal.
Outside the world keeps trembling, heavy with anxiety and pain. But beneath your mantle, gentle mother, peace falls softly like the rain.
Your eyes shine like heaven's mercy through the darkness of my soul, and in your quiet holy presence, broken hearts become restored.
Oh, Mother, take this weary life of mine.
Like roses at your altar, I place my heart tonight. Mother, Mother, I bring you flowers from my heart, every dream and every scar. Mother, sweet Mother, hold me in your holy light, lead me back to Jesus Christ. Ave Maria. Stay with me
Some flowers bloom in joy and laughter, some through suffering and pain. Yet every broken little offering becomes beautiful in grace.
So I give you all my weakness, every fear I cannot hide, for your love remains a refuge where the lost and lonely cry.
Mother Mary, if my faith grows weak,
If this world becomes too cold, carry me closer to your son. Mother, Mother, I bring you flowers from my heart, not just roses
soul felt empty, silent tears no one could see. And I wandered through the shadows, far from peace internally. But your gentle voice kept calling through the coldness and the storm, like a candle in the darkness, like two healing hands so warm.
And slowly my heart remembers the beauty of being loved, the beauty of heaven touching earth.
Mother, hold my anxious heart, heal the deepest hidden scars, shine your mercy through my night, wrap my soul in heaven's light. Hold my life is yours, every breath forevermore. In your peace I am reborn. Ave Maria. Ave Maria. Under your mantle, I find shelter. There were nights my soul felt empty, silent tears no one could see. And I wandered through the shadows, far from peace internally.
But your gentle voice kept calling through the coldness and the storm, like a candle in the darkness, like two healing hands so warm.
And slowly my heart remembers the beauty of being loved, the beauty of heaven touching earth. Mother, hold my anxious heart when the world pulls me apart. Be the light that leads me home. Never let me walk alone. Mother, calm the fear in my soul in purity. Through your grace my heart can see God still walks beside me. I place my wounds before you, every burden, every chain, and somehow in your presence even sorrow starts to change.